In this video, you'll learn how to sell cryptocurrency using Bitget's P2P trading feature. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the platform and execute your trades efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Begin by opening to the Bitget homepage. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during this process, as a slow connection may delay loading times. Once on the Bitget homepage, locate the option labeled Beyond Crypto on the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will take you to a new section of the site dedicated to various trading options. After that, find and select the Buy Crypto button. This action will redirect you to a new interface where you can choose between different trading methods and options available on the platform. Next, click on P2P trading. This option specifically caters to peer-to-peer transactions, allowing you to interact directly with other users for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Once the P2P trading page loads, look for the section that states Use P2P to buy and sell USDT. Selecting this will take you to the trading interface where you can engage in transactions using USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Following this, click on the button labeled Trade Safely and Easily with Zero Fees on Bitget P2P. This highlights the platform's competitive edge of offering zero trading fees, making it an attractive option for users. Now, locate and click on the Buy button to initiate a purchase process. This will present you with various sellers who are offering USDT for sale. Afterwards, select the Sell button to proceed with selling your cryptocurrency. This will allow you to list your assets and set your selling preferences. Next, click on the Merchant option. This section provides a way to choose reliable sellers or buyers with verified profiles, enhancing the security of your transaction. Then click on Price to set the amount you wish to sell your cryptocurrency for. Ensure the price is competitive by checking current market trends, as this can affect how quickly your listing sells. Following this, select the amount/limit option to specify the quantity of cryptocurrency you're willing to sell. Be mindful of the current market conditions, as they can affect demand and pricing. Next, click on Payment Methods to choose how you would like to receive payment for your sale. Options may include bank transfers or e-wallets. So select the method that suits you best. After that, locate the Action button, which allows you to finalize your listing and make it visible to potential buyers. Confirm that all details are accurate before proceeding. Now, click on Bitget P2P to ensure you are utilizing the peer-to-peer platform for your transaction. This will confirm that you are operating within the correct trading environment. Finally, click on Sell to officially list your cryptocurrency for sale. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your listing is active, allowing potential buyers to view and engage with your offer. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.